Alright, y'all, we back with another one, and you see what's going on. It's been a while. We have to bring this video brought to you by Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. That's what we about to put on Shot It Rig, get all cleaned up. Got that 21 up there. Even though it looking good, it could look a whole lot better, and that's why I use Super Clean all-wheel cleaner to clean up my 21 on my Harley and my other vehicles. So make sure y'all get for that Super Clean. If you want Super Clean, make sure you jump down in the comments and put hashtag Super Clean giveaway to be entered for your chance to win, or just comment down below period and you'll be entered to win. We're gonna be announcing that winner this Saturday, and then from there the winner will be picked, well, entered now all week. Saturday we'll pick a winner, and then I'll get your information, and I get Super Clean to see you out some of this good old wheel cleaner and other products that they have, man. Shout out to Super Clean for continuously supporting us over here at LSCR 254 and beyond. So as you can see, man, we got Shotty out here. Shotty need to be cleaned up. Shotty been on the road. Shotty been on the road, man. Shotty be getting dirty, dusty, but that's what it is, man. We ride them. We ride them. We don't hide them. That's one thing I'm still thinking about, getting another one of that, what you call this front fender, man. I'm really thinking about getting that cut fender, man. Like, happy early birthday. Well, my birthday passed. Happy early Christmas, Thanksgiving, something. Cause I'm finna put the hold on the cam, and I'm not gonna pursue anything really else. So, like I said, I'm gonna put my lowers back on. That's the main reason I'm kind of cleaning up Shotty, because I don't want to put it back on there with them nasty lowers. I'll put the lowers back on the nasty bike. So while I got it off, make sure we take the opportunity to get some of them cracks and crevices, etc., etc. So yeah, just wet it down, get that soap on it. Some people be doing the foam. I got a foam can in somewhere, man. I'm just doing like a little quick wash. Not like the full kit caboodle detail. Just a little bit. Just a little. Just knock the dust off of it. Knock the dust off of it. All right. Yeah, man, as you can see, I got that Super Clean all-wheel cleaner. This will actually probably do the good wonders on the front and the back. You know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm talking about to get you all the way right. All the way right. If you read the directions here, it says clean one wheel at a time, rinse the wheel thoroughly with cold water, check, coat the wheel with all wheel cleaner, check, allow foaming action to work for 30 seconds. For extremely dirty wheels, agitate with a soft brush or sponge. Rinse the wheel thoroughly, dry with a soft clean towel to prevent water spots. Okay. So Wheel ain't really that dirty. Come over here, get us a little towel. That one got dirt on it. Get us a nice clean one. I always say, and to accompany a great cleaner, because Super Clean is a great cleaner, but a little bit of elbow grease always helps. Go the extra mile. Get you where you want to be. You heard me? You heard it here first. You heard it here first. Yeah, look at that. Get off in there. Get all that. Let's see, this is where that recessed fender would kind of help get kind of more of the wheel. You can see exactly what you're looking like without having to rotate it. And it's just a cleaner look. It's just a cleaner look when you do go back. You know what I'm saying? You look, when you walk away from your bike and you look at it, you be like, yeah, that's her. Yes, sir, that's her. Because if you don't look back at your bike, you bought the wrong one, baby. You bought the wrong one, baby. You bought the wrong one, baby. Alright, let's get off in here. And it said some of these areas might need a little bit more attention, but like I said, as you get down off in there, and if you wash your bike on the regular, it should not take a whole lot. Yeah, you see it. All right, let me finish getting in my bag with this, man. I'll cut y'all back on.